Hello guys, magluto tayo ngayon ng rice noodles. Ito ang ating sangkap. Bean sprout. Mayroon tayong beef. Mayroong egg, garlic, white onion, ginger. Mayroon tayong chives. Meron tayong fresh rice noodles. Yan. Umpisahan na natin ang pag-isa ng ating beef at saka white onions. Tapos ihalo na lahat yung ating gulay. Haluin lang ito hanggang sa maluto ang ating bean sprouts. Tapos ilagay na natin ang ating egg. Haluin ito at lagyan ng light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, at haluin hanggat sa maluto ang ating fresh rice noodles. So this is the simple way how to cook on my own recipe of fresh rice noodles. And now ready to serve. Thank you guys for watching.